Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I upload videos. No further ado, so let's just get started. I'm going to put primer. Cover those pores. So moving on, so I'm going to use now this e.l.f. Concealer just to cover my redness on my face. And just right here, some over here. If you don't have that problem, you could skip this part and you just go straight to the foundation. But for now, we just gonna cover these. This is just to cover my redness on my face. Not as much, it's just a little bit, because the foundation will do the rest. I just like to do that. I'm going to use this the Maybelline, the new Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I showed this on my beauty haul, so we're just gonna give it a try. This is my first time using this. Let me just shake it a little bit because I don't know if you're supposed to, but just I'm gonna use a foundation brush and I just gonna just put everywhere on my face. Then I will blend it with my beauty sponge. So now I'm going to use the Real Technique beauty sponge and just blend it together. I'm going to go ahead and put my eye primer, and the one I'm using is by Urban Decay. So I'm just going to put this right here, some here too. And I usually like to put some in here. I don't know if it's okay or not, but like I said, there's no makeup rules. At least I don't go by no makeup rules. You do your makeup however you want and the order you want. That's my opinion. So now moving on to the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this eyeshadow. I showed it on my beauty haul, and it's Alternative Rock by the Balm Cosmetic, and the name is right there. And the color I'm gonna start using for my crease is gonna be this one right here, even though it is a contour color, but I could still use it for my contouring my eye. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this brown right there. I call it brown highlight, and start over here to create a crease. You know it's gonna be this pigmented. So yes, I don't know if this palette is still available in Walgreens. I don't even know if it's a limited edition, so or how long it's going to be in Walgreens. I really don't know. It did not say limited edition on the package or in the store, but I'm guessing this is just like a summer probably. And I'm just going to move on to underneath my eyes. I'm going to use this copper right here, and the brush I'm going to use is going to be my Sigma. I'm just going to tap this on my lid, and this one has fall off. This one has a lot of fall off. I'm just going to put this on my lid. It's a pretty color. See if I use my finger. I think glitter works better when you use your finger. Yeah, definitely. So I suggest you use your finger for this. See? It works way better than a brush. But it's beautiful color though. I gotta give it that. So now with my Sigma brush, I'm gonna go ahead with no and just blend it together. It's a pretty color. Next, I'm gonna use this NYX palette, and the color I'm gonna use is this purple right here. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. brush, pencil brush. It's like this, it's thicker. And I'm gonna put this on my outer crease. And I'm gonna stop it right here. And I'm gonna go back with my Sigma brush, and I'm going to blend in. Blend, 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 blend. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this color right here. It is darker, and I'm going to use that for my outer crease. And that I'm going to use my my Morphe pencil brush, and it's this one right here. I'm going to put this right in here. And we're just going to stay in this corner. Not going nowhere. Going to use this color called Natty or Genius, Natty or Genius, and I'm going to put that on my brow bones. This color has a lot of fall off too. Wow. Well, you can't ask for too much when there's an affordable palette. Now I'm gonna do the underneath of my eyes, and I already did the brown part, so now I'm gonna use the purple color from the NYX palette. This NYX palette doesn't have a mirror, that's a big no. Then just gonna put this over here, this purple one. Pretty color, I really like that color. I'm gonna go ahead and use this dark purple right here and put it on the corner right here, just a little bit. Use this, then I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner with my Sigma pencil brush. And it's this one right here, it's very tiny. I'm going to put this right here. And do my liquid eyeliner, and this thing always falls off out of my hands every time I show it. Maybe it doesn't want to be in the video. Anyway, so yes, I'm going to now, so my eyebrows are done. I forgot to mention that. I already do my eyebrows, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my liquid eyeliner, and I'm going to do my pencil eyeliner, and I don't know where it went. I lost it. See, I lose things like in no time. I know it's somewhere in here in this hot mess. If you guys see this, y'all be like, what is wrong with you, girl? But it's only because I'm doing the makeup. That's the only way. This is always clean. Can never keep this messy. Drive me crazy. I lost it. I don't know what. I found it. It's right here. Front of my face. So yes. So let me just go ahead and do this part right here. You guys see me doing this part all the time. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and this is by CoverGirl. Go ahead and use my bunny curve eyelash. So I'm going to go ahead now and do my face. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go and do my contour. This right here. I'm going to be using this one right here. And the brush I'll be using, the brush I'm going to use is Rödrz. And this is going to be my concealer, and this best concealer ever. Really like the way my eyes turn out. This color is so pretty. Sponge, blend everything together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my banana yellow color from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna put this right under my eyes, so I wanna crease. Press powder with my Morphe brush. Just blend everything. This over here, up here on my forehead. This doesn't ruin my whole entire makeup. So I guess you just apply with straight, right? I hope I don't ruin my makeup by putting this over here. And how will I blend it with this, I guess? Let me try my finger first before I messed up everything. Wow, it is pretty. But it's very pinky. So you're probably gonna need just a tiny bit. You don't need to put too much. So one little drop is good enough. Like that. And just blend it with your finger. That's nice. Use my sponge. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put on top of that one the from the same palette I use for my eyes. Gonna put that right there. And where is a clean brush? This is a clean brush. This is from by Morphe, and I'm just gonna put some in here. Whoa, that's very pigmented, very shiny. Now I'm gonna put some on my tip of my nose, some over here, and then I use my fan brush by Morphe and put some up my forehead right here. It's very pigmented. My Power Lip Polish. And I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. Like this color, is very pretty. Then I'm gonna go and use the polish part. Make it shiny and polish. Your color so it will not remove. I'm gonna use my setting spray. My fan so I could dry the setting spray very quickly. So now that it's dry, so now let's go ahead and move on with my mascara. And the mascara I'm going to use is the one it came with the Padlet by the same cosmetic, and the name of this is Scuba, and it's by the Palm Cosmetic. So let's just give it a try since I never use this mascara. Let's see how it works. I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions or any video requests, please put it in the comment below. I will link everything on the description box for you guys, so in case you want to check it out. And that's all I got for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what do you think about this makeup look. And till next time, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Bye.